Hello everyone, I'm Aaron from the Know-How, and today I'm just going to show you how you can easily create a TV console in PYTHA. So over in the screen you can see what we have in the opening screen. We are going to replicate that TV console with the curved shape. Okay, so first we are going to go ahead to do the top panel. So I'll just go to the top view. I'll use axle lines and I'll assume that my TV console is about 1200 in height. So I'll just do a line that's 1200. The depth of my TV console is about 450, and I'll assume that the front curve starts at 50 mm. Okay, I'm going to do another center line which is at 600, and I assume that the circle starts at about 2200. So next I'll create a circle starting from this auxiliary point and ending at this point. Okay, so now I have my graph shape and I'm going to create the TV console top. So I click this line telling PYTHA that I want this line, I want to use this curve, and I'm going to end it here. I'm going to use here and I'm going to end my figure here. Total length, I assume my panel is about 20 mm, and then I'll exit, name, and I'll get my bottom panel. So I'll just quickly name this bottom. Next we are going to copy this panel to the top, and let's say our TV console is of 400 height. Okay, and then we will call this the top panel. Next we are going to do our side panel. I'll just click this two area and the side panel is 20 mm, and we'll name this side. Next we are just going to copy this from here to here, copy it from here, from this end to this end, moving it in the X. Next we are going to use multiple copy. So in PYTHA there is a multiple copy tool. Just click the two side panels and I'm able to increase and decrease the intervals, the centers. So I'm just going to stick with this, press OK. Next I'm going to create a shelf. In PYTHA we have shelving generator that can easily help you create the shelf. So all I do is click the front and click the back. PYTHA creates the shelf based on the points that I click. You can change the shelf thickness, gap, and even the setback. So setback of 30 from the front. I'll put 3. You can increase the number of shelves that you want. Okay. Next one for drawer. All I'm doing is just click here and click the top. PYTHA creates the drawer, and you can see in the drawing you have the drawer boxes. Okay, which then I will just do 80 mm for the side panel and 80 mm for the back panel. So like you have straight away a drawer, full list of blue, Hittich and Hafale tandem boxes, and you can notice in the red circles, those are the boring holes for the drilling commands. Okay, so straight away we have a simple TV console. Okay, and I'll go on to just create one single shelf over here. Okay, we just do one shelf and I'll get with 0. Okay, we have one simple TV console, and straight away we have our part list. Generating the part list, I select enter. You can see here is a full part list that I can now export it to a CSV, okay, and even a XML to read in my ERP system. Okay, so straight away what's next? In PYTHA we can put in our machining commands. So I can just go to workshop, I can define with more holes, and I can easily choose that, okay, I want every connectors to be KD. So Kamendower, press OK. Then I'm just going to select the sides. Okay, and I assume that this middle shelf is KD. Enter. PYTHA place the KD connections for me automatically. Next, I need to do my production drawing. So all I do is create a 3D view. Yes, done. Can do a new drawing to create a top view. Okay, so I have a top view. If I need, I can do a sectional view, horizontal. This gives me my section view. I can then section a vertical view to show the drawers over here. So this gives me my drawer view. So easily I created 3 views that I need in PYTHA. And straight away we can, any changes that is done on the 3D will be reflected. If I need the part drawings, I can also now under workshop, I can do a lay flat, select everything, and PYTHA creates the production drawing for me. So straight away I have a drawing over here, okay, with the KD holes, and you can see with the cam and dowel holes all done up, and I can export it to a CAM system. So right now I can export to my desktop, and from my desktop I'm able to open the CAM system, open the MPR file that's created by PYTHA. So you can see now my HOMAC system is loading up, and from here I exported a side panel, okay, and you can see the drilling commands are all inside with it. Okay, so next we will move on to another panel. Okay, we'll move on to another capability of the software. Okay, so in the software you are also able to create exploded view, meaning that we can go to a new view. For example, I'm able to do the exploded, okay, select everything, okay, increase this slider, and you can see easily you can create an exploded view. From this view we are able to straight away do up the referencing, meaning that I go all attributes, position number, and give everyone a position number, so that I can easily now go to my production, to my plot sheet, create an ISO view. If I need this to be black and white, I can off the shader, and from here we are able to place the position number automatically onto the drawing. So you can see straight away we are able to produce very good rendering drawings. This is the end of my demonstration for PYTHA. Hope you have enjoyed it.